When you are ready to make a call, simply lift the handset or headset off the hook. Press the speaker button or press an available line key, which activates the speakerphone. The line will have dial tone, and the corresponding line's LED will turn green. Want to use another line? Simply select another line key. Once you enter the phone number, press the Send button. To make a call from Directory or Contacts, just select Directory, search for a person, and click to dial. To set up speed dial, click on My Services, and then click on Personal Speed Dial. Click the plus sign and choose one of the predefined codes. Type in the number you would like associated with that code, a description, click Save, and OK. If you want to delete a speed dial number, just click the X and save. To place a call using speed dial, enter in the predefined code that you set up in the business-hosted voice portal, then press the green dial button. You can answer a single incoming call by lifting the handset or headset, by pressing speaker, or by pressing the corresponding account line button. If you have multiple incoming calls when there is a call waiting, you will hear a tone letting you know a call is waiting. The next available line will flash red. You can answer the incoming call by pressing the corresponding line button, and the call you were on will be put on hold. You can toggle between the calls using the line buttons. To end the call, just press End Call on the soft key or hang up the phone.